These are the elevators at the brand new TownePlace Suites in Sacramento, California. Yep. Nothing exciting at all, just Schindler 338. Yeah, still got the temporary permit. San Leandro, California. Huh. That's weird. We came all the way out here to install boring elevators.
Wonder why? Because we have a Schindler here.
Yeah. I don't know why Schindlers do that. They like don't light up the first time you push it. I don't know why I didn't try it. Alright. Try to get the other one. Yeah, this thing doesn't run good. Not really. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, this thing is tiny. Look at that.
It's super tiny. You can't really tell on camera that it's way smaller than here. Slow it down.
Yep, we're gonna get some riders.
Didn't you hit up?
Down.
Going up?
She doesn't like elevators.
Yeah.
It's her first day.
Have a nice day.
Poor thing. And that too?
Things are pretty slow too.
Yeah, and they level like very, very slow. That was a bit smooth. Yeah, this is a very, very small Schindler. Look at that.
Yeah, 2,100 pounds.
Smallest Schindler I've seen. It's going down. Ice.
What you guys up to?
Oh, we were just filming
We're
elevators.
into elevators.
You're
Yeah.
filming Have fun.
Yeah.
This one makes noise.
Oh yeah.